Hello, my name is Eloy, and I am making this video in order to show you one of the projects I am currently working on. In the following seconds, we are going to look over the whole process, from the very beginning until the present situation, going through all the processes involved. So let's get started. I work in a company that produces snacks, and I've been asked to design and build a device capable of separating the packets that do not meet the quality requirements out of the production line. What we can see here is the initial status of the packing machinery without any ejecting device. So what I did first was to create a virtual environment of the packing machine in a modeling software. I did this to have a better perspective of space and to try out different designs before actually build it up. The ejecting device will be located under the sealing mechanism, just right here. I created different designs and a couple of ejection systems. But at the end, I decided to develop this one. I really like it due to its simplicity and lightweight. I ran some forces and movement simulations to make sure it was tough enough for the industrial usage. I also created virtual models of the commercial parts I will be using. Here I am starting the production of the device. I am using 1-inch stainless steel as the frame, and I use TIG welding for the joints, as we can see. In order to set the piston together with the frame, I built up two critical pieces using CNC milling machining. To do this, I first made the diagrams on the modeling software, and then I took that data into the CNC milling machine. As the power mechanism, I chose a single action pneumatic piston with a flow regulator to control the speed. I also used a 3-port 2-way solenoid valve to control the piston. After having the mechanical parts of the device ready, I introduced the electronics to control it. I am using a Nano PLC by Allen Bradley and a 24 volts DC power supply. With a simple program in the PLC, I finally test the device. I am using an extra button to emulate the ejection signal. And this is the result. The device working already in the production line, set up with a specific signal of the packing machine that let the device know when a packet does not satisfy the sealing or weight requirements. I have to say that the device is totally functional, and it fulfills the expectation the company has on it. Right now, I just have to make some adjustments to the packet container and it will be all ready. That's all. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any question or you want to help me out with a comment, here's my contact email. Thank you.